Now let's factor this trinomial where the coefficient is not 1. This is a little bit harder. Let's try the easy way and then the harder but faster way. So to make this question a bit easier on your brain, you might want to consider using the rainbow method. You're going to multiply this number times this number. The first number times the last number. 2 times -4 is -8. So this is just a trick. X squared plus 7x minus 8. It's a trick. This is not really equivalent, so don't write an equal sign. But we're going to simply factor normally. X times x is x squared. What times what is -8? Let's try 8 times 1 with a plus sign in front of the 8 and a minus sign here because this is normal factoring. But because we're using a trick, the rainbow method, we need to remember that we need to divide by the coefficient 2. Whatever the coefficient here is, 2. So you're dividing by 2 the coefficient of a, the a value. So now here we have a story. This is you at the bottom of the company. Can you be promoted right away? Not quite yet. You need to simplify your life. 8 divided by 2 can be simplified. So this is equivalent to 8 plus 4. And this fraction, 1/2, is already simplified. So indeed, you can become the manager or the owner. So the 2 goes in front of the x, so we have 2x minus 1. And now we can say that this is correct. This here is the factored form. Now let's try the same question, possibly faster, but a bit harder on your brain. So we know that the answer is going to be bracket bracket, something times something, binomial times a binomial. And when we think about 2x squared, the answer has to be 2x times x is 2x squared. Now the question is, what times what is -4, but adds to be positive 7? This is where you have to keep on guessing very quickly. We can try 1 times 4 is -4. We can try 2 times 2. So this question is not so bad. So all you have to do is think about 2 possible pairs and try to find the winning pair. So let's try 1 and 4. So when you try 1 and 4, you can see that using FOIL, outside and inside, we have 2x times 4, which would be 8x, if you write a positive 4 here. And if you have a minus 1x, you can see that the answer indeed is positive 7. So this actually works. We got very lucky. So let me just try erasing this and try to do it the wrong way, just to see what kind of frustrations we would encounter. So if we accidentally wrote minus and plus, you can see that we have minus 8 plus x, which is minus 7, which would be incorrect. So this kind of technique, you're just flipping through possibilities, can be faster, but you have to work quickly. If we chose the wrong pair, 2 and 2, yes, 2 times 2 is 4, but when you think about it, if you have a plus or minus sign, 2 times 2x is 4x, minus 2x would be 2x, which is incorrect. And then you can start changing these to a plus and a minus. And still we have -4x plus 2x, which is -2x. So we found the wrong pair here. And now it's your turn. Factor 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. Also, 6x squared minus x minus 2.